Hey, what's going on? Navy Vet 88 coming at y'all with another video. Excuse the noise in the background. They working on somebody's roof in my neighborhood. Random that I tried to do this today for the first time in the morning, and they want to be outside doing construction work. They never do construction over here. But anyway, this video is gonna be about my truck gun. This is my first ever time trying to do a truck gun setup kind of thing. I normally drive a Charger, so I mean, next to me right now is a Charger 2010 and then a 2022 Scat Pack is like right behind that. But this is the family vehicle, the 4Runner, so I pretty much set it up to do it like this since I drive this most, and I'm thinking about selling one of these Chargers. But anyway, this is the setup for my truck gun that I'm trying to build up for the first time. So what we have right here is a 11.5 BCM bill with Daniel Defense irons and an Eotech red dot. As you can see, it's clear inside of the mag well as well. Yeah, that's pretty much a simple rundown. Honestly, I realized that having a truck gun really isn't super hard like I thought it would be. You see so many people with so many different setups, and they have this and that, and you got a box of knives in the back, and you know, suppressor in the can over here, and like, nah, I ain't feel like all of that was necessary. I felt like all that I needed was the rifle, pistol slash, and ammo, honestly. Now I'm running just a regular standard PMag 30 rounder, and inside of the truck, I'll probably run like another 2 mags, and that'll pretty much be it. As you can see, we have an emergency bin right here that we keep in the back, as well as you probably could have saw, we have the roadside cones. In here we got everything from road flares, reflective vests, water, tissue paper, canned foods, fire extinguisher, zip ties, tow hooks, like jumper cables, like we got it all in here. So that's pretty handy. I might do a video on something like that. I'm not sure, but I should. I mean, it seems like a pretty good video because a lot of people don't carry this kind of stuff, and you'll be surprised at how often you may need it, or when it's not often and at one time that you do need it, you screw. So yeah. And then we have a little medical emergency kit down here, and then we got some more medical up in the front. But like I said, this 11.5 build, I just wanted to keep it real simple. I didn't feel like it needed to be overly extensive. We have a sling, as you can see, that's held together with this Ranger band on the SBA4 brace, Magpul, Eotech Unity riser, Daniel Defense irons, Surefire 3-prong Warcomp. The light is Tactical Armament. There you go, Tactical Armament. And it's similar to the Surefire Scout light that we have inside with the pressure pad and the on and off audible as well. And it's a solid, it's a solid build, honestly. This pistol, as a matter of fact, when I sprayed it originally, this is what took my platform from here to there. So I appreciate everybody who commented, had anything good or bad to say, watched it, shared it. I appreciate y'all because it was going up into the millions. So I can't say once in my life I know what it felt like to go viral, because I actually did go viral. So I appreciate y'all, because now I'm out here on a larger scale on the platform in order to reach more people, to, you know, give information, teach, be an example, all of those good things, because that's what we're supposed to do. We're supposed to teach each other, be a good example to one another, and spread that knowledge. You know, I'm not at the level where I could even think about being a quote-unquote gatekeeper, so I ain't got nothing to keep. You know, all I have is knowledge to give away, and I plan on being like this all the way through and through. So with that said, that's the end of this video. I got nothing else left for y'all. I just wanted to come and give y'all a quick rundown of my truck gun. Get a quick picture. Boom. Boom. Get the beard in there. Boom. So yeah, if you see that video, you'll see a profile pic. Get the one with the beard and all that, since I just cut it up last night. Well, shaved my head last night, but yeah. Anyways, that's the video. That's it for this one. I tried to block out some of that noise. I hope they stopped for as long as they did so that I could do this video, because it's my second time doing it. Like, share, and subscribe. I'll see y'all on the next one. We're going to the range tomorrow. We'll probably have videos up on Wednesday, if not tomorrow night.